Dualism has always existed. You can't feel love if you can't feel hate. You can't define light if you can't define dark. White is defined by black and black by white. Sweet by bitter, bitter by sweet, pain by cure, cure by pain. Reaching ends always comes with living of beginnings. Thank God it's Sunday. Sunday is the only peaceful day of the week. No getting up early, no homework, no tying ponies, and no revising maths tables. It's just me and my fun. Mummy, where is my ice cream? Wow! With a spider bite, Peter Parker can climb and swing on buildings. What if a spider bites me? I wish spider bites me. I wanna swing on buildings. She's beautiful. Wait, if she bites me, even I could fly like her. I'll ask her to bite me. Hey butterfly, your wings are really beautiful. Thanks. Hey listen now. Actually, I also wanted to fly like you. Can you bite me so that I could fly like you?
Yeah, sure. Show me your hand. I'll give a quick bite. Wow, you look like an angel with the wings.
Thanks. Whoa! Yay! Flying is way better than those boring walks. I'll fly high up and see how the world looks. I'm not able to go more high. Crow Bhaiya, can you come here please? I need your help.
Hey girl, you got beautiful wings.
Thanks, but I want to fly more high, but I'm not able to with this wing. Can you give me a bite so that I can fly like you?
Yeah, of course, I can give. Show me your hand and I'll give a tiny peek.
Whoa! Yay! I'm at the top of the city now. Spider-Man will be jealous of me. No, not again. Eagle uncle, can you come here? I need your help.
Hey girl, what are you doing so high above? Your mom must be worried.
Uncle, actually, I want to go higher above the clouds.
Look, girl, curiosity is never a sin, but it must be preceded by caution. So make sure you never go near those black clouds again, okay? Now, give me your hand.
Sure, uncle. I'll keep that in my mind. There's nothing here. It's just the black clouds. I think I'll return my home. Oh no, I'm not able to find my home. I've never seen such buildings near my area. She flied at heights, but lost her own home. Humans always ignore the fact of dualism. They think by running behind success and accomplishing desire, they will reach paradise. Maybe it's paradise, maybe it's not. But enjoying the journey is truly a paradise. Success can never be enjoyable if you don't enjoy the journey. Humans are always accomplished with dreams before they fulfill one. They always fight for tomorrow being better than today, but fail to check how today is better than yesterday. Same happened with that girl. There was this sadness in her eyes. The kind you sometimes see in those who for times want to step back. But life wouldn't let them. She, with the wheels and dreams of flying high and high, never enjoyed at the height she was already there. And now, she lost her home. She can't return back. She was stuck between the two vast worlds, the Mother Earth and the outer space. As a fact, it's never about a happy ending or a happy beginning. It's all about a happy journey.